Guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. As promised, we are back in Petroio today to show you this beautiful little house. Before we do anything, like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you're looking for property in Italy, we are your guys. We have been through the process so many times, ourselves and with clients. You need somebody to walk you through the process, somebody who understands you, somebody on your side, and somebody who speaks Italian. So that said, we are back in Petroio. We were here yesterday. Beautiful little borgo, really one of the hidden gems here in Tuscany. And what we love about this place is the views are spectacular. Now this house is really cute, and it's got a cute little balcony with stunning views, and there's a view from inside the house. If you want to just drop everything in the US, come over. You don't even need your toothbrush. Leave it here and enjoy this beautiful borgo as a vacation home. It's gonna be perfect. Okay guys, we're going in. Now this house has been totally redone. You'll see that the windows and the doors have all been replaced. Now that's a lot of value in a house because you start replacing windows and shutters and all of those things and it can run into some money. So this house is very well priced, but it's also all redone. Come on in, here's the kitchen. Okay, this is the kitchen area. Now this house has been set up and run successfully as a B&B. So right now it's set up as a B&B with 2 bedrooms and the kitchen area. The kitchen is really cute. It's all been redone. And you've got a beautiful fireplace here. And it just is really well set up. You have a lot of space in this kitchen. Okay, right off the kitchen, there's a huge bedroom. Now, if you wanted to turn this from a 2-bedroom place into a 1-bedroom place, you could make this a beautiful soggiorno area or living room area because, as you will see, it's got a stunning view. Come on. Look at this, you guys. This view is absolutely gorgeous. Now, right over that ridge, there's all kinds of other little hill towns, which you can see a little bit up the road. There's a little turnout there in front of the church where you can see Pienza, you can see, I think you can even see Siena from here, or maybe that was Trequarnez that you could see it. But in any case, you can see Pienza, you can see Montalcino, you can see all these little borgos all around you. This town is stunning. Okay, here we are in the 2nd bedroom. Now, actually, this one has a sofa bed in it. Here's what I would do. Since you have that beautiful view over there, I would put the sofa bed in the soggiorno area and use that as a guest room when you need it. But in the meantime, you can use it as a soggiorno. If you're just a couple or one person, you can have the use of the whole space all the time. And when you have guests, you can open up the sofa bed and it would be in the soggiorno area. This is a nice bedroom. It's a little bit darker, a little bit cooler, and you're not wasting the view because you would never see it at night. Okay, as you can see, this bathroom has been totally redone, and I will tell you, they really thought out the spacing of the bathroom. You've got a good sized shower here, and beyond the shower, you've got plenty of room for your toilet and bidet, not shoehorned in together like some of them that we have seen. It's a beautiful bathroom, all redone, lots of light, and again, brand new windows throughout the house, new doors, everything's new. Now down these stairs just off the street is a wonderful cantina, which actually could be turned into a taverna. A taverna is a space where you entertain people, you cook big meals, and there's also a beautiful patio that can be repaved with tile and turned into a lovely private patio where you can enjoy your meals in the summertime. So in short, you could turn this into a beautiful taverna where you entertain, and you could end up with a beautiful private patio where you can enjoy your meals. Okay, here we are in the parking area in Petroio. It's really a short distance from the house, and you can actually drive up to the house and offload your groceries and then come park your car here. Now, the wonderful thing about this little borgo is you're so close to Montepulciano, you're close to Pienza, you're close to Montalcino, you're close to everything that you come to Tuscany for, and you're just a few minutes from all the services in Sinalunga. So even though you're close to all of these services and they're very accessible, up here, you feel like you're a million miles away.